all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collection, very budget friendly collections. It's going to be mixed cotton varieties and some cotton linens, plain cotton linens paired up with some lovely blouses. These sarees are going to be very easy maintenance sarees. Simple hand wash is enough for these sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. And please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the beautiful sarees now. Very beautiful cotton linen saree. It's a plain cotton linen saree with silver zaris, and throughout the body, it's a plain design. And the pallu of the saree is this pretty pallu. And you have a running blouse also for this saree, and we have paired up again with a contrast blouse too, and the price of this saree is 650. We have some lovely color combination in the same pattern. The next is a very pretty peachish pink with silver zaris on both the sides, paired up with a beautiful purple color blouse, and the price of the saree is 650. The next is going to be a lovely black, very beautiful color, black paired up with a very pretty maroon color blouse, and the price of this saree is 650. The next is going to be a very pretty pink, slightly pretty pink, rose milk pink, paired up with a green color blouse, and the price of this saree is 650. All the sarees are beautifully paired, lovely color combos. The next is going to be a lovely purple, beautiful purple paired up with a blue color blouse, and the price of this saree is 650. The next combination is a light orange, very light orange, paired up with a very beautiful black color blouse, and the price of this saree is 650. The next is going to be a lovely yellow again. What a wow combinations, beautiful designs, all the color, like when you pair it up with some nice blouses like this, it will look really awesome. Paired up with a beautiful red color blouse in Pochampalli pattern, and the price of this saree is 650. All these sarees are priced at 650. The next is blue, light blue, paired up with a very beautiful indigo blue combination, more of a royal blue, very pretty. The next is going to be a light navy blue, baby pink, beautiful baby pink with a dark purple color blouse. Looks really class, and the price of the saree is 650. And the last combo is such a lovely blue, very pretty navy blue, paired up with a very pretty pink color blouse with silver zari. Very beautiful one, and the price of this saree is 650. A beautiful soft chanderi material. It's a mixed cotton type. Very beautiful collection. Both the sides we have a satin border, and throughout the body beautiful floral print running along the body with zari checks inside the body also. You could see the zari checks. It's a very soft flowy material. It's a synthetic mixed material, so you don't need to starch. Easy maintenance saree. This is the pallu of the saree with more embroidery on it. In the body you have smaller embroideries, and the blouse is a running blouse for this saree, and the price of this saree is 790. In the same pattern we have some lovely combination. This is a grey, a very beautiful. The pallu will be more embroidered, and the body is going to be slightly embroidered. Very pretty one. The next is going to be a pink in the same pattern, a lovely pink. So this is the body of the saree. Beautiful design, looks really class. Simple elegant saree is very nice for office wears. The next is a bluish grey. So this is the pallu of the saree, and the body is a mild embroidered one. This is the body of the sari, and the next is a lovely light elaichi green. Very pretty color, lovely design, looks really class, simple and elegant wear. And the price of these sarees are 790. This is again a beautiful mixed chanderi material, a mixed cotton variety with silver sarees on both the sides. A very beautiful light apple green color with a lovely embroidery on the pallu with a beautiful tassels on the corner. The body is more small embroidered ones, more of a simple one. And the blouse of the sari is this, very pretty simple blouse. And the price of this sari is 610. In the same pattern we have some lovely colors. This is a beautiful light lime yellow, such a lovely pastel shades. Whoever like light pastel shades, this is an ideal one. Very easy maintenance sari, no starch, nothing, just hand wash is enough for these kind of saris. Lovely pattern. And the price of this sari is 610. The next color is going to be peach. This is how the body looks with a very pretty pallu. The next is going to be a light blue, very lovely shade, light blue. And the pallu of the sari is this. Very class pieces these saris are, very budget friendly also. It's a very good option for gifting either. And this is in light pink color, beautiful shade. This is the embroidery, and the price of this sari is 610. It's a very beautiful mixed cotton variety with a very pretty thread borders on both the sides. Looks really class. Simple saris but very elegant, nice office wear saris, easy maintenance one. This is the pallu of the sari with embroidery and tassels, very lovely one. And the blouse of the sari is a running blouse, and the price of this sari is 650. In the same pattern we have some lovely combinations. This is a very pretty peach color, beautiful shade. So this is how the pallu looks, and the body is mild embroidered one. The next is going to be a very pretty all pastel shade, so looks really elegant design, elegant waist, like perfect office wear, or if you go for some meetings, these kind of saris will look very elegant. So this is the pallu, and all the saris have thread borders, very pretty one. And the next color in the same pattern is a light baby pink. Beautiful baby pink, lovely design, beautiful pattern. And the price of this sari is 650. A very beautiful cotton mix sari, a very lovely design. Both the sides we have a small thread border. You could see that a very beautiful one, and small white thread borders. And the body is a very pretty small embroidered ones. This is the pallu of the sari with embroidery, and the blouse is a running blouse for these saris. And the price of this sari is 740. The next is a very beautiful light green, very pretty apple green. Such elegant colors, beautiful color combos, beautiful design. So this is how the body looks, such a lovely color. The next is a peach. These saris are such elegant wears, looks really class, and the material is so soft, so beautiful. This is the pallu, and the next is a light green, more of a Rexona green. Beautiful design, lovely pattern, and this thread border looks really pretty. And the price of this sari is 740. This is again a mixed cotton variety in that lovely sandal color with both the sides a satin border, a lovely design. And the body you have a small embroidery works, and the pallu of the sari is this embroidery in monotone color, and you have tassels in the corner. And the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 650. And the next color in the same pattern is a very pretty light baby pink, beautiful shade, lovely pattern. And the next color is going to be a light green, These are all pastel shades. Whoever loves pastel shades will love these collections. It's all satin borders. And the price of this saree is 650. The next is going to be a light peachish pink. Very very light peachish pink. And this is how the saree looks. And the price of this saree is 650. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked these collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.